So, next, ito yung discussion naman natin for calculating the maximum ultimate moment or yung MU max. Itong MU max kasi, again, ito yung ginagamit natin no, or kino-compare natin doon sa ating factored bending moment na MU para ma-determine natin kung ano ba yung magiging approach natin in designing yung beam, singly ba or doubly. Uh, First dito is yung pag-determine ninyo or pag-assume ninyo ng tension, ng strain ng tension state. Kung 0.004 yung ginamit ninyo, yung equation ng ating Cmax is 3 all over 7D. Tsaka yung ating strength reduction factor kasi nasa ano siya no, nasa transition siya. We're going to make use of this equation. Kumbaga, isa-substitute lang natin dito yung epsilon t na 0.004 tsaka yung yield strain ng ating uh, steel reinforcement, di ba makalculate to by using the equation na Fy all over yung elastic modulus ng steel na 200,000. So may be able to calculate yung strength reduction factor sa strain na 0.004. So if we're going to make this naman of 0.005, yung magiging equation ng ating Cmax is yung 3 all over 8D. And since yung 0.005 is within siya sa tension control, meaning yung strength reduction factor nito is 0.9. So may dalawang method tayo dito sa pag-solve ng MU max. So yung method 1, if mag-sum up tayo ng moment about the centroid of the steel reinforcement. So yung MU max natin is equivalent to phi times Rn max times yung BD squared. For which yung ating Rn max, this is equivalent to rho max times Fy times 1 minus rho max Fy all over 1.7 Fc prime. For which, ang ating rho max, may dalawang equation tayo dito. Nakadepende kung 0.004 ba or 0.005 na strain ng tension steel ang ginamit ninyo. For 0.004, ito naman yung magiging equation ng ating rho max. So as you can see, halos the same lang sila, di ba, ng equation. Yung nagkakaiba lang is yung modification factor na ginamit dito. So 0.85 Fc prime beta all over Fy, yung modification factor nito is 3 all over 7. Pero sa 0.005, yung modification factor naman is 3 all over 8. So yung method 2 naman is yung moment, kung mag-sum up kayo ng moment about the centroid ng compression block. So yung MU max natin is equivalent to phi times 0.85 Fc prime A max times B times D minus A max all over 2. So yung magiging variable naman natin dito is yung A max, for which makakalculate natin dito kasi prior na-solve na yung C max. So you just multiply it na lang by the beta.